you live in the energy of whatever the end intention is, the end desire is. So in Dion's case, it's a beautiful home on a beautiful island. And I was asking her, is the successful business an end intention or desire in and of itself, or is it a step on the way to the island?
I got it wrong.
Was it a step or was
No, there's no wrong. There's no wrong. But I want you to understand that if it's a step, like if you're sitting around in your life and you're going, oh man, that island, that home, walking in the surf, that's it for me. But you're also, like you were reading your statement, she was reading a statement of her intentions, and we were refining it. And I said, is it the island that you want? If I gave you $50 million right now, would you still want the business? And either answer is fine. Yes is fine, no is fine. But be clear about that. And when you start your day and finish your day, and in the moments of frustration during the day, when you pull yourself back to the energy of your desire, of your intention, take yourself to the true desire. And if your true desire is, yeah, I just want to be on the beach outside my beautiful home, go there. Go there where there's the joy and the excitement and the rapture of, feeling the sun on your skin. I'm not saying don't do the business for right now, but I am saying when you're trying to materialize your desires and intentions, make sure you know what they really are, because they will pull you stronger and faster. Remember, the feelings magnetize.
So, okay, so let me clarify this then. Let me say this. Let me ask this question. I want a thriving business. I'm walking stuff back now. Does that mean if I stay in that essence of what it feels to be on the beach, living by the beach and in bliss complete, does that take away from the fact that I still want a thriving business while I'm blissing on the beach?
You can have both, honey. I'm not telling you that you have to be limited at all, because you're an infinite being. You do not have to be limited. I just wanted to really tighten up your intentions and your desires so you are getting what you want.
The very, very first, like I said, I've done this, this is going to be my 4th time. Mm-hmm. And the very, very first time that I did this, I have gotten all of those things. Like, I had a job that I hated. If you remember, Deborah, I hated my job and I didn't want to do it anymore. And then I put in to be a caregiver, and it took me I didn't quite get I had to struggle at it a bit, but I get it more now why that happened. But I did finally, I become a caregiver, and now I don't have to do that job anymore. I have a client and everything, and it's just really building. And let's see what else, like my weight loss journey. I went keto. I've lost 15 pounds already, and it's only been a month. And just so many different things. Like, I live in housing now. I was homeless and I was living in my RV, and I was doing that job that I hated. And now I'm in low-income housing. My rent is $132 a month, and I'm working up to being, more financially sustainable or whatever. But I've never been so happy. Like, I'm free to just do like what I want. And I don't know, it's kind of hard to explain. The other day, a friend of mine wanted me to do something. I didn't want to do it. And my heart was going, no, you don't want to do this. And I told her that I didn't want to do it, and I feel relieved and set free. You know, I
That's
have
awesome.
had so many wins in the past year.
That's
Thank
awesome.
you.